Company Limited was founded in 1996, is a collection of R&D, production and sales, brand operations in one of the large-scale environmental protection decorative building materials enterprises. The company covers an area of more than 200 acres, has built about 100,000 square meters of standard delivery room, become the industry large-scale manufacturers with more than 1,000 senior management, design, development, and production personnel, professional production of various kinds of plastic composite decorative board, aluminum plastic mosaic, decorative brand UV board, UV nano crystal quartz stone, sun plate and other decorative building materials, and greenhouse horticulture products. The company introduced the international advanced production equipment, the construction of more than 20 complete production lines. Not only greatly improves the production efficiency, but also to ensure the long-term stability of product quality, environmental protection, decorative plate production of more and better for consumers. Industry through the ISO 9001, 14001 International Quality Management System Certification of Enterprises. In 2008, as the industry's first through the China Materials Certification, CTC, and SGS detection of the enterprise, the performance indicators in full compliance with national standards. The development of the industry has received dozens of national honors, was named for 11 consecutive years the Contract Show Credit Enterprises in Guangdong Province. A world-class brand.